Nakajingkiu ki kampentriam nari Bangladesh ka balak ban khata ya ka jilla UOP Upadhyay Inspector General ka Border Security Force BSF ula pentip baka BSF kala penjor syu ya ka jingpahara ha Khappud ka ri Bangladesh bat Meghalaya. Haba pentip ya ka ni sekilat pathai khubor UOP Upadhyay ula ong mahakani ka kenti kila Pyndonkam ru da ki technology bakam Tbit kum ki drone nalor kiwe ki ba omla ban penpau ban pet ngor company bat ban lap kloy ya ki kam Pyrshah ya ka Imlang Sahlang ha ki benta Khappud.
You know, all over the world, the radicalization and fundamentalism, especially all and around India, is going to affect the security scenario. So, but we have to be vigilant and we have to be careful and we have to be very, very alert. This is one of the important factors which cannot be ignored and we are taking care of. You are well aware that any anti-social element or radical element, they will try to disturb the peace and tranquility on the borders. And as a security force personnel, we have to take a guard against them. So we are taking all necessary guard against them. As far as the area opposite Meghalaya is concerned, we do not have any such kind of information. But nonetheless, we are in close coordination and touch with the BGB. And hopefully with their support, if at all is there any such issue, we will be able to handle it properly. Because of the security region, I cannot disclose the exact nature of technology, but certainly we are introducing advanced surveillance equipment. And not only these surveillance equipment will be helping us in the detections of the transborder crime, these equipments will also be having the capability to give us the advanced inputs. This is what I can tell you, and I assure that we are introducing the right kind of technology and we are getting good result of this. The use of the technology is to be optimum. So it is operated during day also and during night also. You know that the focus of our government is Make in India, and fortunately there is an availability of very good technology in-house, and on the directions and patronage of our Honorable PM, we are getting very good inbuilt and Make in India technology. So most of the technology which we are using is Make in India, and it's a domestic technology we are using. This technology is very good and it is quite helpful for us also. Naturally, this is also a part of the technology, but how, where, and in what magnitude it is being used, it depends on the operational scenario and it depends on the requirement. The border security force have drones, but what is their deployment pattern, because of the sensitivity of its nature, it cannot be disclosed. But BSF is having the drone and we are also using it. Yes, we are getting good support from our defense establishments and the companies and the institutions, the government of India institutions are very adequately supporting us, be it DRDO, be it BEL, or be it some other agencies.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha Pyndonkam daki mar ba modern ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.